Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be deep diving into the crypto space. So there's a lot of reasons to talk about crypto today. One being this massive increase of 7.9% in the last 24 hours. If we actually take a look at Bitcoin specifically, we can see that. We saw a push, just recently, if we take a look at the last 24 hours, from about 44,800 up to 48,000, now dropping back down to 46, in the high 46s, that is, barely dropping below 47, but a $43,000, $44,000 push, like I said, just in this last 24 hours, all the way up to 48. We are seeing a ton of volatility in this market, and this time for the good. So we're going to talk a little bit more about what's going on in the markets, what we can expect, what coins to be investing in still. And I also want to jump into one thing specifically. I just put this tweet back out again. We did this in September. We didn't hit $40. I want to give you guys another shot to get 40 Chainlink in the month of October. All you have to do, like I said, is retweet this tweet. Follow the actual Twitter account, CryptoProfitYT, which is mine, by the way. And the biggest thing to kind of mention today as well, guys, is I am just putting probably one video out today. I'm looking and working very hard. I do want this to be known for those pre-sales, IDOs, and launch opportunities. If you look back at the track record, we've had an insane really success rate. We've gotten Monster Infinite or Monster Infinite, we've gotten Trial.io, we've gotten Kurobo, we've gotten Wayu. All of these coins had an insane pre-sale. If you guys were in on that pre-sale price, you saw insane profits. So I'm continuing to try to keep that success rate, not pushing any new coins or pre-sales quite yet, but do keep in touch because Trial.io, I think that one's going to continue to go. I think it's at a good price point. I think a lot of these coins are still at good price points and are going to continue to go up. So I'm going to try to find you guys some more pre-sales, some more IDOs and ICOs. I guess the smaller the market cap, obviously, the more potential for that 10x to 100x. And that's exactly what I want to give you guys. So we're going to deep dive today, though, into some of the main coins we're going to talk about, being obviously Cardano going up 5.66% in the last 24 hours. A very solid change. This is a coin that I would be watching in the really entire month of October. We've talked about must-watch coins. Cardano was an obvious one. Solana was an obvious one. We've talked about those coins before. Solana's already seeing a 10% increase since I last talked about it. We saw a burst of speed, like I said, in this last couple of hours. Chainlink up 7.9%, almost made it to $27. If actually we take a look at the 24-hour period, we saw 26.11 October 1st at 8:10 a.m. So like I said, close-ish to that $27 mark. If we actually continue on our way down, though, by the way, if you guys didn't know, if you guys are ever trying to invest in a coin like Chainlink, doesn't have staking yet, right? So when it does get staking, we are going to see a burst of value in this coin specifically. I really truly believe that. Chainlink is one of those coins that is already undervalued. Imagine staking comes to it. I just think, that is going to be the point of success for Chainlink. Staking, a lot of people want that passive income, passive really return. If we take a look, though, you can't stake right now with anything but BlockFi. So I do want to kind of link this into BlockFi because with BlockFi, you can actually earn more from your crypto with the BIA account. Your cryptocurrency can actually earn up to 7.5% APY. Interest, by the way, occurs daily and is paid monthly. There are no hidden fees, no minimum balances, and no reason to wait. So I will have a BlockFi link down in the description below if you guys want to take a look. Like I said, if you use my link, Crypto Profit, it'll actually give you up to $250 worth of Bitcoin when you sign up, which is definitely a very big boost on your crypto portfolio. So if you guys want to take advantage of that, like I said, jump into the description of today's video. Definitely do so. I do want to jump through these prices a little bit more because we are seeing Bitcoin actually rise back above 47,000. A ton of volatility right now, and that's something that could actually remain a good thing. We could see this price actually push Bitcoin above 50K yet again for the first time in quite some time. So if we actually take a look, we are seeing a pushback with this last 1 hour period. We saw it drop down to 46.9, back up to 47.2. It's not just going to go straight down. If it is going to continue on that decrease, it's not going to be a sudden drop. I do want to jump back over to the prices, though, and continue on our way down. So Polygon's another one I talked about yesterday. I just want to kind of talk about the success. If you guys are buying these crypto dips, when I kind of mentioned that there's dips and you can dollar cost average in on these coins, and these are the coins to watch, the success rate of that as well is just absolutely massive. If you were to just sell off right now, which, by the way, I think these are going to be long-term coins as well, but if you are trying to go for the short-term trades, if you took advantage of it, you found an increase, you found a great, solid volatility to the upside, you can take advantage of it. Polygon's going to be another coin, though, I do think is going to be a very big hitter in the late Q4 of 2021 and also beginning of Q1 2022. If we jump back to the second page, because there's a lot more to talk about, I do want to say, though, FTX token, still an undervalued token. I think this is one that is going to continue to surprise a lot of people. It's going to see a very far, in my opinion, 10 to 20% increase just in the next couple of weeks. So we'll see what happens with FTX, but definitely a coin to watch out for as well. If we jump over to the second page, there's obviously more coins, right? We have the T-Drop token, the ecosystem's continuing to expand with Theta. We have the Theta drops, we have the Theta.tv, and the Theta ecosystem as a whole is just continually growing. I think Theta is going to be a big one that does see quite substantial growth in a matter of time. It's going to be one of those like VeChain, in my opinion. VeChain is going to do huge things in 3 to 4 to 5 years. And, short term, it's going to be all right. But, VeChain, Theta, those are coins that I believe 3 to 4 to 5 years from now, because of what they're doing behind the scenes, we're going to see massive growth. I do want to jump over to Hedera Hashgraph. This is one that's not talked about too much. If you guys haven't talked much about Hedera Hashgraph or seen much about Hedera Hashgraph, it's definitely worth looking into, guys. I'm not kidding. This is one of those coins that could absolutely blow up. And you see it here for 32 cents all the way up to that 57-cent jump. And that's something that we've seen in other coins before, and they always seem to make that second jump later on in the quarter. We're going to jump, though, a little bit farther down into the page 2 because there's more a little bit lower cap coins that I believe are going to continue to make that climb. We saw IOTA. We talked about IOTA, how big it was, how important this jump was going to be for it. And we're seeing it right now. 24 hours, 12.32% increase, all the way down from that $1.11. It's just, the market's doing insanely well for us. I do want to, guys, kind of give you guys my price prediction because I don't think I've ever kind of given you guys my Bitcoin price prediction, my thoughts on this Q4, Q1, really total as a whole. I'm going to say late Q4 of 2021. It's going to start a lot later than people think. I think people think that right now Bitcoin's going to be a burst of speed right now from, that October 1st date all the way, because it's Q4 now, right? So everyone's excited. Oh, it's Q4. Automatically, the prices have to pump. No, that's not really how this works. Whales probably took advantage of the market. They're taking advantage, and we're going to see a massive push in Q4 still. But it's just people buying, and that's what it is. It's not some magical thing happening since we hit Q4 in 2021 that it's just going to see a pump. I do think, though, like I said, by the end of this year, we're going to see Bitcoin reaching 80 to 120,000. I'm going to be on the $80,000 mark, though, more than the $120,000 mark. I think that's going to be a range that is very viable. It's going to be a conservative, realistic price prediction. And, we're going to keep you guys up to date with that as well. There's a lot of coins that I'm excited to see how they grow and how they expand. I just talked about a few of them today. Obviously, Polkadot's another one, a 10.42% increase. It's the one we talk about all the time on this channel. I think we're going to continue to see this kind of success around the crypto market. I just wanted to kind of give you guys my update, my thoughts, and what coins I still think should be worth watching. And as we move forward into October, we are going to get back to those price predictions for each individual coin, whether it's Cardano, Chainlink, Polkadot. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. I really do appreciate you guys stopping by, jumping into the crypto space with me. And thanks again, guys. If you haven't already, take advantage of this giveaway. And I'll see you guys all in the next one.